So as we have seen for the last class, we have solved this problem and what is the regression concepts, and then we talk about a little bit the error part, and then what are the methods we are using for that minimizing the condition. Then differentiating with respect to A, with respect to B, and then we can get the values of these equations. The equations which you got it, that is called as basically a normal equation. Okay, and the based on this you may get the value of A and B. So this is the value of A. Where is A? Sorry, this is your value of B, and this is the value of, you can just look at where is that value. So this is the value of A. You can look at, this is the value of A, and then you can substitute in the equation y is equal to A plus bx. You may get this equation. You may get this equation. Okay. Before I start this, let me just uh, bifurcate the some concepts which is not I am doing for this here. Similarly, one can get more about the I will be saying about the regression equation. The regression equation x on y. What is that? What is that? Can anyone tell me? What is the regression equation x on y? This is for y on x. So x minus
minus x bar
x bar is equal to
is equal to bxy
bxy.
y minus y bar.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. And where we can write what will be your bxy, which is covariance between x and y upon variance of y. Okay, xy, that means covariance of, because it is x on y. So y, whenever on y, that means y is given to you. So whenever y is given to you, you have to divide by variance of y. Okay. Just understand this concepts, which is quite important. Okay. Now we will look at this example. Let's look at this example. Okay. So when you talk about the application of regression, there is a huge amount of the application is there in the survey or in the field of statistics. Okay, and you can do lot many things in that regression concepts also, but you need to be little bit study about that topic and concepts. Okay, so suppose, as I mentioned, we have given the car data, and we are just we have introduced the new type of engine to examine the impact of the speed on the petrol consumption. Impact of the speed on petrol consumption. So what could be the impact in my speed if, like, and how much the petrol consumed if I am increasing the speed. Okay, the following data are obtained under this condition. So these are the conditions. So when this is the speed, kilometer per hour. So if my speed will be this much, then kilometer per petrol will consumed like this much. So 20 liter it will be consumed 20 meter. 18 liter will consume that 25. Means if you keeping the constant rate of 25 per kilometer, then it will be around 18 kilometers, like petrol 80 liters will consume, and so on. Okay, so which is a dependent variable? See, here I have not defined which is my dependent, which is my independent. Okay, so we need to be defined that clearly. What is my dependent variable? So as I mentioned, when you are understanding the petrol consumption, when you're understanding the petrol consumption, okay, so when you increase the speed, your petrol consumption will be increased like that. Okay, so which is dependent on which? So petrol consumption is a dependent variable. Okay, so you can write first part, the kilometers traveled traveled per liter is dependent variable, which we can call y. Okay, so this is now I am knowing this is y, so automatically this will be the x. Okay, so now you know x data, you know y data, you know x data, you know y data. Obtain the regression equation of kilometer per liter on speed. So kilometer per means it is y, on speed means x, so y on x. Okay, so the regression equation y on x is given by y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x. Okay, and what is your byx? Byx is a covariance of x comma y upon variance of x. What is the covariance? Summation xy upon n minus x bar y bar divided by variance of x, the formula x square upon n minus x bar. Okay, by the way, may I audible to all or not? Let me know first of all.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Properly.
Good, good, good. So these are the things we need to calculate using this data. I think this is a similar to your correlation type of problem. Am I right? Because you need to obtain covariance, you need to obtain variance, you need to obtain variance of y. In that correlation, abhi isme kam ho gaya. Variance of y has been reduced. Okay, so that column will be the reduced. So we can just create that column. So which is you can call x, which you can call y. And then what are the columns are required? You can find out x square, you can find xy, you can find y square. Is it required y square? Just let me check.
Y square is not required, sir. I think so.
Y square is not required. Okay.
No,
Uh,
sir.
right, y square is not required. Then why they have calculated the y square? Okay, anyways, they have calculated, no problem. Okay. I will tell you why we require. Anyways, but for a being we required only this x and y and x into y. I will tell you because there may be some other things required which I have not explained you, but I will tell you how to use it. Don't worry about it. So that is all that we have to manage. So you can just write the data. You can just write down the data. Okay. Just calculate what are the entries I have given here. X square. Calculate x into y. Okay. And also calculate y square. I will tell you why we are calculating y square. Okay. Just calculate and let me know their summations. Okay. There is a so I will just going to write these all numbers. You can just fill these numbers. Okay. You can tell me what could be your total. Please do fast. Use that total summation here. Okay. So I will just write on this number 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 20, 18, 17, 16, 14, 10. So what could be x bar? Calculate x bar, find out y bar, and then find out covariance, summation x y upon n minus x bar y bar, and then find out variance. Find out variance of x, which is summation x square upon n minus x bar square. And then calculate b, which we called as byx is a regression.
Sir, X bar is 37.5.
X bar is 37.5. Very good. Regression coefficient.
Y bar 15.833.
Y bar is 15.8.
15.83.
Correct. Correct.
15.83.
Correct. So you take up to 4 digits always, right? We take answer always
sir.
4 digits. And the covariance you can calculate minus 43.7487.
Variance of X 197.9166.
Absolutely right. 197.9167. So B you can calculate now. It's very simple. It's very simple, I think. Bxy is equal to this upon this. So you can just covariance upon variance of x, do it, and you'll be get the answer for the covariance, which is minus 2210. Just check this answer. Just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. I'm just not writing this other thing because we can calculate it. That will be very simple. So you can understand, therefore, the regression equation y on x is given by y minus y bar. Means this I think I have already written here, right? So I will not going to write it down again this. Instead of that, I will just substitute the value. So y I don't have, minus I have y bar, which is 15.8333 equal to byx I have, which is minus 0.2210 and x minus 37.5. Okay. So when you just simplify these into these, and then you can adjust the term, and you have to write it down in terms of y is equal to like that. So y will be 24.1228 minus 0.2210x. Just check whether you are getting this answer or not, and let me know.
Yes, sir.
So what was your question? Obtain regression equation of kilometer per liter on speed. So this is the equation. Kilometer, y is your kilometer, and x is your speed. This is the equation. Now go to part C. Go to part C. What is part C says? Part C says about, if you look at the question, I will show you the question. Estimate kilometer per liter of estimate kilometer per liter means you are interested on get the value of y when, and look at speed of 32 km per hour. So if speed is given 35, अभी ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे 35 नहीं दिया है. But if I ask you, suppose इधर मैं 30 बोल देता हूँ, for example 30 बोल देता हूँ, still you will get the some petrol, right? अभी 30 का स्पीड तो तुमको if you're going with the speed 30, but you have given the kilometers per liter petrol की कितना जाएगा आपका consumption, but this is not the estimated value. See, this is the usual value. This is the data which they have. This is not the actual estimated value based on the model. Okay, तो 30 के ऊपर 17 जाता है, तो अगर मैं बोलूंगा अगर मैं स्पीड फिर से आपको 30 देता हूं तो कितना किलोमीटर पर लीटर पेट्रोल जाएगा, वो सिचुएशन में पेट्रोल अप डाउन हो सकता है. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट जो स्पीड यहाँ पे दिया है वो स्पीड यहाँ पे न पूछे, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. दे कैन प्रिडिक्ट, दे कैन गिव द वैल्यू 30 आल्सो. ओके, सो don't try to like become confused. Okay? So if it is suppose asked 35, that means your x is given 35. So can you predict y, which is 24.1228 minus 0.2210 into 35. So can you tell me what could be my answer? Yes, anyone?
16.3878.
Correct. 16.3
16.3878. 3878.
3878 kilometers. So that is the part C. That is the part C. Is that clear to all? Let me know first of all. So you have given one value and you are predicting the other value. This is the regression. Now what is the next concept, which is called D? इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा आपको एक small concept है which I didn't tell you. That is a concept of coefficient of determination. What is the coefficient of determination? This coefficient of determination is nothing but your R square value. You know what is R? R is a correlation coefficient. R is a correlation coefficient. Remember, try to understand the concept. R is a correlation coefficient. And when I square it, it's become coefficient of determination. So usually the value of R lies between -1 to +1. -1 to +1. So what could be the value of R square? Anyone?
0 to 1.
0 to 1, right? 0 to 1. So between 0 to 1, so R square value always lies between 0 to 1. And this R square value explained very important role in the regression. Very, very important role in the regression. What is that? What is that? This particular coefficient of determination conclude about this particular model, the model which you have created. जो मॉडल आपने बनाया है y is equal to this 24.128 minus 0.2210x, the model which you have created, whether this model will be good fit or not. The model तो हमने बना दिया, means we assume some value of x, some value of y, and we have created a model. But is that model is sufficient to do that data or not? Are you getting my point? You'll be get several x and several y. But is that satisfying the condition of that model? The model is good fit or not? Okay. So that is all decided by coefficient of determination. And you know how to obtain this. Because if you have R, you can square it. So what is your R? So R के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको यहाँ पे? You need to obtain variance of y. Variance of y. तो जैसे मैंने वहां पे बोला था y square क्यों लोग निकाल रहे हैं, वैसे भी यहाँ पे आपको y स्क्वायर निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट? तो y स्क्वायर अपॉन n माइनस सॉरी y बार स्क्वायर, आई विल रब दिस y bar square. Okay, and when you calculate this, you will be get I think
10.833.
yeah 10.13
10.138.
13. That's it. 99.
88.
Acha 8. Okay, 88. And when you substitute this value in R, which is covariance of xy upon variance of x into variance of y in square root, you will be turns out with this result minus 0.9766. Please calculate. Please calculate and tell me whether it is right or not. You have covariance here.
Right, sir.
You have a variance here. Take a square root. Take a square root of this also. Divide it. You will get R square. What is your R square? Coefficient of determination is equal to R square, which is equal to how much it is? 0.9537.
957.
This means that 95.38% of understand variation in petrol consumption is due to speed. And from my side, I am interested on this conclusion. That's it. बाकी तुम सब कैलकुलेशन कैलकुलेटर से कर सकते हो. I'm not interested at all. Statistician should know this, which is written at the last in the box. Other whole this calculation can done by anyone. Even if you give the commerce students को भी वो भी कर लेगा. But when you come to this interpretation, then it is like very difficult even for the statistician. Okay, so what it means? So if I talk about in general, so in general में क्या होता है कभी भी? Okay. In general, I will put the note. In general, the percent of variation in dependent variable is due to independent variable. I don't know whether you understood or not, but in this way only we have to understand. मतलब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा ये जो डेटा है, ये डेटा speed and kilometer per liter of petrol, 95% of variation independent variable is due to the speed. Understand? और बाकी जो 5% का जो वेरिएशन है मेरा, वो मे भी हो सकता है माइलेज के ऊपर, मे भी हो सकता है कंडीशन पे, एज ऑफ कंडीशन, मे बी you can say age of a road and etc. Are you getting my point? So R square का मेन रोल यही है कि वो वेरिएबिलिटी दिखाता है डेटा में आपके. इट शोज अबाउट द वेरिएंस. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ आपका वेरिएबल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ डिटरमिनेशन इज लाइक 40%, मतलब डेटा इज नॉट गुड फिट. डेटा डजंट सूट with this variable, with this simple linear variable. तो उस सिचुएशन में यू कैन इंक्लूड मोर एक्स, मतलब आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्स को इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। ओके, वहां पे ये आर स्क्वायर का कंसेप्ट बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। नाउ अभी 2-3 minutes we can discuss about the, if this question asked in your MCQ type of problem, then how you're going to deal with that problem, how we are going to deal with this problem. Okay, so that we can discuss right now. Okay, so how many students are there, we can go with that. I hope the out of this 30 students or 29 students, the somewhere 20 students having calculator, assuming that calculator, even I told you that you always bring with the sit with the calculator. Okay,
Yes, sir. It's with us.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
good, very good. Now what you have to do, if I am saying that this problem is taking approximate 40 minutes to solve it manually, right? Now let's do it this, how to solve this problem within 2 minutes. All problems, all type of like ABC, you know how to calculate R, right? So R ka to no doubt
Yes,
at
sir.
all, you very well expert in that, you can understand. Let's see how to fit this equation, that is y on x. Okay, procedure is as usual, procedure is as usual, which I have explained I think last class. So let me just open that. So you need to again do the same concepts, but only thing is that I have to need to just scroll it here and can understand. So first you erase your data. Okay, go to the calculator part, go to the calculator part. Okay, erase your data, like clear your mode. After clearing the mode, go to the option which is given, which I have already explained to you. What is the option? What is the option? Click on mode, click on stats, and click on same y is equal a plus bx, a plus bx, and you feed your data. I will show you the data which again. I will show you the data. Take this data. Take this data. You have x data, you have y data. Feed this data. And please let me know if you have finished after feeding. Go to chat box and write down. Go to chat box and write down you have fed it. Just type y. Good, good, excellent, excellent. Very nice. Okay, okay. Now, again, follow the steps. Follow the steps. Follow the steps. This one, which I have circle, which I have rectangle. Shift plus 1 plus RAG. Shift plus 1 plus RAG. And tell me what are the values of A and B. You got it.
Sir, A is equals to 24.12.
Just a minute. You can see something like capital A and capital B. Is it capital A, capital B, something like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very nice. A का वैल्यू क्या मिलता है बेटा, बोलिए मुझे.
24.12.
24.12. Okay.
Answer B is equals to minus 0.22.
Good. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Even you have a B side, you have R का value, ना? Something R.
Sir, the value of R is minus 0.9766.
Look at here. Look at here. Look at on the screen. Is that there? 0.9766. So you got the value of R, you got the value of A, you got the value of B within 2 minutes. So what is my equation? You got these two values from the calculator. What is my equation? Y is equal to 24.12 minus 0.22x. This is my regression equation, y on x. Y on x. Similarly, अगर मुझे x on y निकालना रहेगा तो क्या करूंगा मैं? Can anyone tell me? जो डेटा मैंने फीड किया है उसको मैं रिवर्ट कर दूंगा.
So y की जगह x और x की जगह y.
Exactly. So जहां पे आपने x फीड किया वहां पे y फीड करो, जहां पे y फीड किया वहां पे x. You will be get the. Now if you just match this answer with your previous answer, can you look at 24.1228? That is your A and this is your B with negative. दिख रहा है ये वैल्यू? और I can say this value तो भी चलेगा और नीचे का वैल्यू ये भी चलेगा. Can you understand? So अगर मेरे पास डेटा XY है तो within a 2 minutes how I will be calculate the value of A, B, coefficient of determination. You can understand. So this problem you have taken to solve around 40 minutes manually. But when you do with the calculator, it will not take more than 2 minutes if you are expert in the calculator. Why I'm telling this? Can anyone tell me what is the aim behind this?
Because this problem take much time to calculate.
Yes, and in your main motive of saying this is because this type of problem is I'm going to ask in your internal examination. Like the data is given to you. This suppose some kind of data is given to you, maybe in terms of x and y, and what could be the value of A, what could be the value of intercept. See, it is not necessary that I always give the terms of A. A का कुछ नाम है. A for apple is not. A for intercept. B for slope of line. Getting my point? So it is not necessary that I'm always give find A, find B. It's not like that. I will be the statistical name. I will give a statistical name. So you should be knowing this all terminology, which is quite important for you. Are you getting my point? Yes, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any questions so far related to the practical problem and related to the problem solved using calculator? Or you want to know one more time using calculator? Because the procedure is same. If you know how to do it for R, you know how to calculate for regression. So when you do the manually, like using this equation, the value, this is the value of A and this is the value of B. तो आपको डेटा फीड करना है डायरेक्टली. डेटा फीड करके आपको सीधा इक्वेशंस लिख देना है. तो कभी कभी ऐसा भी होगा, आपको क्वेश्चंस दिया रहेंगे एंड दे विल आस्क यू व्हिच व्हाट इज द रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन y on x. What is the regression equation y on x? And 4 options are given to you. Can you calculate? Go to chat box and write down whether you can calculate or not. मैंने x का डेटा दिया है, y का डेटा है. Can you calculate the value of, or I can say the regression equation y on x using calculator within 2 minutes? Go to chat box and write down y. If you know, if you don't know, you can write n. Good, excellent, very nice. Fine, fine. So majority answer is coming Y. Majority answer is coming. Okay. Now this is the related to data. This is related to data. I'll give one more example, which is not there in your practical. Okay. But you may try out at home for practice problem. Question number 2. Is that fine to all? Is that fine
Yes,
to
sir.
all? So you can have a practice ना थोड़ा सा. Because नहीं तो एक questions में अपना session complete हो गया पूरा. Example number 2. But not difficult type. It's simple type only. So for example, ये data देता हूँ मैं. I have this answer ready made. So given the following information calculate most likely value of y when x is equal to 10. देखो भी मैंने different में पूछा हुआ है. I am interested in most likely value of y when x is मतलब y on x. Question समझना बहुत important. Try to understand the question. Okay, try to understand the question. But where's my data? N is given 7. Summation x is 49. Summation y is 161. Summation xy is 1253. Summation x square is 476. Summation y square is 4032. Okay, you can try out this one. And I have another example also. See, there are several examples. Okay. So I can give you. ठीक है. You can practice such a type of. What could be the values of? So you need to calculate y on x. Okay. Okay. Finally, how many are done their PPT? Not PPT. That poster. Have you created the poster, Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
Good. What about other Shivam? How many have created the poster so far? Okay, Sneha, good. Anjali, Vaishali Pandey, okay, Kavita Chaurasia, very nice. Okay, Gopi, Chinmay, fine. ठीक है. Around I can say 7 to 8. 7 to 8 response. Why very less out of 85? Very less. Try out. Shraddha, you also done? Good. Good. Very nice. सबने सेपरेटली किया है ना? किसी ने मतलब कंबाइन नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं सर, इंडिविजुअली किया है. इंडिविजुअली बोला था.
Fine. Good. Excellent. Shraddha, you not? Do it na. Try out na. Just work on PPT. Okay. Fine.
सर कल लास्ट डे था ना.
That's okay na. You can take the permission of sir. In case if you are willing to prepare for the poster, you can contact na sir. You can tell them sir, like I am preparing today or maybe tomorrow.
Yes sir, I have contacted sir, so he gave 2 days extra on.
Okay.
Till Thursday he expanded the date.
Fine. Good. Very nice. So everyone can solve this. Okay, this particular problem which I have given you. and also you can add here also calculate coefficient of determination. Okay. Just calculate this also and conclude your result. So just work on this and tell me next class. Okay, so when we have a next class, we can finish this, so we can continue with the theory part of it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I think who is next lecture?
Chemist.
Acha.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Yeah.
afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.